to why PROFINET and why is that actually relevant to us? The first suggestion we would have is, if you're in industrial automation and you're not adopting Ethernet, you're screwed in all scenarios, right?
Could you be more specific?
I mean, that's just it's that simple, right? Think about how the world is connecting. I mean, the world's connecting over Ethernet. If you're playing any different card, I think you're whatever, you're going to be in trouble. And the reality is, once you do that, and this is where we come at PROFINET from a very different place than our competitor Siemens, we chose to adopt this technology purely on technical merit. When we actually looked at the world of open networks, we have actually had Ethernet-based networks in our solution set for a long, long time. And we actually wanted to make a transition to an open network. We evaluated everything that was out there, and PROFINET just simply works better. There's a little oscilloscope capture there on the left, and just by way of example, when we run sort of a single wire redundant network, it takes us 3 microseconds to determine that there's a network breakage connection. 3 microseconds, which means we can guarantee at sort of the 1 millisecond spec, we can guarantee bumpless transfer all the time. So with absolutely such a big margin of so this big safety margin that we'll tell our customers, well, you can do this thing. The technology enables that kind of stuff. The spec enables that kind of stuff. It's fast. It's incredibly robust, whether you think about the redundancy capabilities, whether you think about the diagnostic capabilities, where you think about how easy it is to replace a broken node with a new node. It's incredibly good. And then finally, it has one of the things that makes us comfortable is it has a very, very rich ecosystem. Starting with the board, if you think about who's there, there's Siemens and ourselves, there's Enders, there's Phoenix, there's really 150 vendors today that have a PROFINET-based solutions, over 600 devices certified or a number like that. And we see that world growing. So bet number one, just sort of bet on Ethernet. Will be continue to be an advocate for PROFINET just because the technology works. It just works. It just works better than anything that's out there.